Want to upgrade your kitchen with gadgets that make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable? We've rounded up 16 must-have Amazon kitchen gadgets that will save you time, improve your meals, and simplify daily tasks. Whether you're a home cook or a kitchen pro, these tools will make your life easier and more efficient. Let's check them out. 1. Lunch bag. Keeping your food fresh on the go is essential. This insulated lunch bag maintains your meals at the perfect temperature for hours. Whether you're heading to work, school, or a picnic, it offers ample storage, leak-proof protection, and a stylish design. The durable material and reinforced stitching make it long-lasting, ensuring you can rely on it daily. 2. Meat tenderizer. Want to make your meat juicier and more flavorful? This 100-blade meat tenderizer does the job effortlessly. It breaks down tough fibers, allowing marinades and seasonings to penetrate deeply. With its ergonomic grip and stainless steel blades, you get effortless cutting power without straining your hands. 3. Electric skillet. This non-stick electric skillet is a game changer for anyone who loves one-pan cooking. With even heat distribution, a large cooking surface, and a transparent glass lid, you can cook everything from stir-fries to pancakes with ease. Plus, its adjustable temperature control allows you to cook at precise heat levels for perfect results every time. 4. Potato ricer loves smooth, creamy mashed potatoes. This heavy-duty potato ricer gives you that perfect texture without lumps. It's also great for making baby food, gnocchi, or even squeezing water out of vegetables. Its sturdy stainless steel construction ensures durability, making it a must-have tool in any kitchen. 5. Coffee grinder. If you're a coffee enthusiast, a high-quality grinder is a must. This adjustable coffee grinder lets you choose the perfect grind size for espresso, drip coffee, French press, or cold brew. The one-touch operation makes it incredibly easy to use, giving you barista-quality coffee at home. 6. Tea maker. Tea lovers, this one's for you. This 2-in-1 teapot and kettle allows you to brew loose-leaf tea or simply boil water for other drinks. The built-in infuser ensures full-flavored tea without mess. Its premium borosilicate glass resists high temperatures, keeping your tea hot for longer. 7. French press. For those who prefer a rich and flavorful coffee experience, a French press is a must-have. Made with durable stainless steel and heat-resistant glass, this 1-liter French press extracts bold flavors while keeping your coffee hot. The triple-layer filtration system prevents grounds from ruining your brew, giving you the smoothest cup every time. 8. Mini rice cooker. Cooking rice has never been easier. This compact 2-cup rice cooker is ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or single servings. Just add water and rice, press a button, and get perfectly cooked grains every time. It's also energy efficient, using less power than traditional cookers while delivering consistent results. 9. Air fryer. Upgrade your cooking with this dual basket air fryer. Cook 2 different foods at once with independent temperature controls, allowing you to prepare a full meal in half the time. With little to no oil needed, you get crispy, delicious results while keeping your meals healthy. The LED touchscreen and preset options make it incredibly easy to use. 10. Food chopper. Chopping vegetables can be time-consuming, but this 5-cup food processor does it in seconds. Whether you're making salsa, dips, salads, or baby food, this powerful chopper saves you effort in the kitchen. The pulse control function lets you chop ingredients to the perfect consistency, coarse or fine. 11. Electric kettle. Boil water faster and safer with this double-wall insulated electric kettle. It keeps water hot longer, prevents accidental burns, and has an auto shutoff feature for added safety. The stainless steel interior ensures no plastic taste in your water, making every cup pure and fresh. 12. Egg cooker. Cooking perfect eggs has never been easier. This 6-egg rapid cooker allows you to boil, poach, or steam eggs at the push of a button. Whether you prefer soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs, this gadget delivers consistent results every time. The built-in buzzer alerts you when your eggs are done, so there's no guesswork involved. 13. Heated mug. Hate it when your coffee goes cold. This smart heated coffee mug keeps your drink at the perfect temperature for hours. With adjustable heat settings and a sleek design, you can enjoy warm coffee, tea, or hot chocolate without reheating. The wireless charging base makes it hassle-free to use on any desk or countertop. 14. Toaster. Upgrade your breakfast with this 4-slice toaster featuring extra wide slots for bagels, artisan bread, and thick slices. With multiple browning settings, you get perfectly enjoy crispy toast every morning. The defrost and reheat functions add extra convenience, letting you warm up pastries or frozen bread effortlessly. 15. Smoothie blender. For a quick and healthy start to your day, this 300-watt personal blender is perfect for smoothies, protein shakes, and even baby food. The portable design lets you blend and drink from the same bottle. Just blend, grab, and go. Its powerful motor and sharp stainless steel blades ensure smooth blends every time. 16. Onion soup bowls. Enjoy homemade soups, stews, and baked dishes in these 15-ounce ceramic onion soup bowls. They retain heat well, keeping your food warm for longer. Plus, the sturdy handles make them easy to serve. The glazed finish and oven-safe design make them perfect for both cooking and presentation. All these amazing kitchen gadgets are available on Amazon. Want to get yours? Check the links in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more must-have Amazon finds. Let us know in the comments. Which gadget is your favorite?